देवी सज्जनों, भाइयों बहनों, फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते। आज हमारे पास एक स्पेशल गेस्ट है, गौरी। गौरी, हाय। हेलो गौरी।
Hello, sir.
For those who
Good
don't know,
afternoon.
Gauri, she has scored 180 out of 200. She has scored such a fantastic score in the CSET examination of August 2020, right? And 180 out of 200. Firstly, Gauri, heartiest congratulations. जबरदस्त स्कोर है, right? मतलब अल्टीमेट स्कोर है। आई थिंक जब ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 आते थे पहले सीएस फाउंडेशन के, इस बार तो रैंक दिए नहीं उन्होंने, बट ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 यूज्ड टू कम समवेयर एट 85% 90%, राइट? एंड यू हैव स्कोर्ड 180 out of 200, that which is equivalent to 90%. आज अगर शायद सीसेट के ऑल इंडिया रैंक्स होते तो आई एम वेरी श्योर यू वुड हैव बीन इन द टॉप रैंकर्स, राइट? सो हार्टिएस्ट कांग्रेचुलेशंस एंड वेलकम। गौरी, at the very beginning itself, I want to quickly ask you certain questions जो आई एम वेरी श्योर बहुत सारे बच्चों को आज आपकी स्टोरी जो रहेगी, आप जो शेयर करोगे, हम तो हमारी बातें शेयर करते ही रहते हैं, हमारा काम ही है बोलना, लेकिन आज आप जो बातें कहेंगे that would be more valuable because it is always, I believe कि when it comes from horse's mouth it's always more valuable, right? So I have certain questions for you, right? And I would really like you to quickly guide all our young friends, especially your young friends to come who will be giving up CSET examinations in the right days to come. Gauri, number one question to me, why CS, right? I remember जून में आपका कॉल आया था, right? जून, है ना? जून के आसपास अपना कॉल की बात हुई थी, and that time you were doing law and you thought कि you should consider about CS. Why did you think of CS in the first place?
Yes, sir. As you already said, I am a law student, and with this lockdown and economic recession going on in the country, I thought of making, a step towards a direction where I could get myself into the corporate world, where I could integrate two different degrees into one, and I can have a global experience as a result. And thank you for guiding me through this. Thank you for helping me make this choice. There's no, words
You don't have to thank me, Gauri. At the very onset, for all our viewers, let me tell you कि I don't take any credit for what she has scored. She was already, I remember initial day, first call only June, when she was inquiring about what CS is, etc. I had seen that spark in the call itself कि जब वो बात कर रही थी तब भी मैंने उसका confidence देख लिया था, and I knew कि she's a very passionate student. So I didn't, of course, know about how intelligent she is, but I knew she's passionate, and I think a student is passionate. That is an important ingredient for it to succeed, right? Gauri, quickly, I have a second question. How was your preparation, right? Tell me, how was your preparation in the initial days when you started thinking कि बाबा CSET करना है? Preparation आपने कैसे किया?
From the date I registered to the first proposed date of the exam, which was 17th July, I had approximately 40 days. So what my strategy was to focus on subjects that I thought that I can get short marks. For example, logical reasoning, economics, and business communication. I was pretty confident that I could score really good marks in them because I've already, read about it, and I also attended those live lectures. So there was a lot of conceptual clarity that the whole team at ES gave us. So I would like to give the credit of these conceptual clarities to the whole team. Also, there's one.
That's आपका बड़प्पन है, but I don't take any credit of them. We don't take any credit. Of course, yes, Academy had all live lectures. We also had marathon. We also had MCQ discussion. सब कुछ था. But ये आपकी बात, आपका रैंक है या आपकी मेहनत ज्यादा है? हमारा उसमें थोड़ा सा बस contribution रहेगा. It's all yours. So with all respect, we don't take that credit of that, right? Definitely. So you said कि you focus upon those subjects which you were more confident about, and then you developed the other subjects, right? How was your approach to study? मतलब पढ़ता कैसे पढ़ते थे आप?
So it was the last of the week. I was attending the marathon of economics by sir. So what sir shared really stuck with me, that there's one way to success: no complaints, no blame, and no excuses. And I think that's what got me going, and it's my life mantra for now, because
Actually, even it was my mantra in the initial, when my teacher gave me that part: no blame, no complaint, no excuse. I think even personally I've been following, and that's what I tell my students as well. I'm very happy that even you followed that part.
So it really become my mantra that no complaint, no blame, and no excuses. And I think there's no way around, conceptual clarity. If you do not have conceptual clarity, no matter how hard you work, it won't add up. So thank you, sir, for just being a brand ambassador for conceptual clarity.
वो आपका बड़प्पन है, but I would write all others to note she focused upon conceptual clarity, right? Logically study करना dear students. जैसे इस बार I think गौरी बहुत सारे questions out of syllabus आते हैं, especially economics में, right? But maybe when you think logically, that helps, right, in the examination.
Logical reasoning helps kick in your gut feelings. So even if you don't know the question and you're logical enough, you can figure out.
Very true, very true. So dear students, please, this point is what I want you to know. Study logically. क्या होता है एग्जाम में कुछ ऊपर नीचे भी आ गया ना, you're always in a position to answer it, right? अच्छा गौरी, ये तो इनिशियल डेज की स्ट्रैटेजी हो गई. आप मुझे बताना कि एग्जाम के दिन आपकी कोई स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रैटेजी क्या है, बिकॉज मुझे अच्छे से याद है कि अपन रेगुलरली पढ़ाई करते हो तो एक तरीका रहता है और एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले अलग ही प्रेशर रहता है, थोड़ा सा एंजाइटी रहती है, राइट? एनीथिंग स्पेसिफिक कि आपने लास्ट डे के लिए कैसे प्रिपरेशन की थी?
So there was a very funny incident that happened with me on the date of exam.
अच्छा.
What happened was just 20 minutes before the exam, my laptop desktop crashed and the icons did not display, and the app SBI Lite app जिससे examination होना था, I couldn't see the icon and I was so flabbergasted कि क्या हुआ. I was like कि then I just took a deep breath, relaxed and just in my search bar, my desktop search करके कहीं से वो app निकाल लिया.
So this all happened just before the exam?
Yes, it's like 5 minutes before exam, 9:57 tak bhi I wasn't able to log in. I was like, but despite all the stress, despite all the anxiety, I didn't let it get into my head. And I think that's the most important thing. Even if it is on the date of exam, during the exam, or before it, you don't have to, let your emotions, take over your reasoning.
Presence of mind, peace of mind is equally important, right? Acha.
Yes.
Yeah, Gauri, people say कि for CS when we do such professional courses घंटों पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है, 10 घंटे 12 घंटे बच्चे पढ़ते हैं ये CS के जब डिग्रीज करते हैं. आपका क्या ओपिनियन रहा है? Did you study for many long hours or how was your experience?
So like I already said कि live lectures I was attending regularly, but my concept was कि I was making notes out of what I read, so that helped me very much in the end. So
you were having your notes.
In the beginning weeks, I spent a lot of time, but last 10-15 days was quite chill because I was already prepared with the notes.
So जब अपने चैनल पे यस एकेडमी के चैनल पे जब सारे लेक्चर्स चल रहे थे तो उस टाइम पे नोट्स आप भी अपने बनाते जा रहे थे, and that helped you in the last phase to quickly revise, right? So dear students, important thing to note for all of you, right? कि notes तो मिलते ही है, सारे notes अपने को मिलते ही है properly, but it's always better to have notes in short in your own handwriting there, or maybe in your own words, so which you understand in a more easy manner, right? Acha, and how many hours used to study, Gauri? Ghanto din bhar kaise? Honestly,
not ghanto, but I was consistent and regular. If I studied 5 hours today, I would not make it 2 hours the next day. There's consistency. Keep 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, depending upon the output I desire.
ओके, तो बहुत टफ लगा आपको? क्या बोलना चाहोगे फ्रेंड्स को जो करना चाहते हैं? ये बहुत टफ लगा आपको या ऐसा है कि उसको कंसिस्टेंसी लगती है, कैसा?
नहीं, it's if you set goals for each day कि मैंने 3 दिन में ये वाला सब्जेक्ट करना है या ये टॉपिक करना है या आधे घंटे में मैंने ये करना है, it becomes easier.
अच्छा.
So it was my rational programming of mind that you make yourself think that it's easy, you can do it. If you think that it's too difficult, I think you will not be able to do it.
So good. So definitely, dear students, I think she has focused upon many points, right? I always believe कि जैसे मैंने कहा कि हॉर्स के माउथ से वो आए, जिन्होंने करके दिखाया आप शायद ज़्यादा समझ पाओ. So she has focused, she said कि लॉजिकली सोचो, because पेपर में इस बार बहुत सारे आउट ऑफ सिलेबस क्वेश्चन आए थे. Definitely think logically, dear students. On the spot, you will only that will be ना जो काम का रहेगा, रट्टा मार के कितना मारोगे, राइट? एंड आई वन स्पेसिफिक थिंग आई रियली अप्रिशिएट गौरी वाज कि ऑन द डे ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन आल्सो जब आपका चल नहीं रहा था सिस्टम 10 मिनट पहले भी, एंड इन दैट एंजाइटी हाउ यू मैनेज योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज हैड इट बीन कि आपने इतनी अच्छी पढ़ाई की लेकिन अगर वो लास्ट के 10-15 मिनट में अगर आप अपने इमोशंस को नहीं कंट्रोल कर पाते, वुड हैव बीन अ डिजास्टर, राइट? यू वुड हैव नॉट स्कोर्ड सो वंडरफुल मार्क्स, राइट? So I really appreciate this particular part in there, and this is what I want you to understand, dear students. Only knowledge ज़्यादा दूर तक नहीं जाएगा, right? You should understand कि आपका presence of mind on the day of examination is equally important. Have good sleep, revision properly करना, लेकिन peace of mind exam के टाइम पे रखिए. ऐसे specially professional courses में, ऐसे एग्जाम्स में आपका सिर्फ कितना पढ़ाई किया वो काम का नहीं, ऑन द डे ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो कितना प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड लेके जाते हो, बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? गौरी, इट वाज सो वंडरफुल टॉकिंग टू यू. थैंक्स फॉर शेयरिंग एलैबोरेटली इन द कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मैनर. क्विकली आपने हमको बता दिया कि व्हाट वाज योर स्ट्रेटजी, एंड 180 आउट ऑफ 200 वंस अगेन, इट्स अ वंडरफुल स्कोर, राइट? डेफिनेटली हैड इट बीन डेफिनेटली आज ऑल इंडिया रैंक अगर डिक्लेयर करते हैं तो जैसे सीएस फाउंडेशन में 90% 85% ऑल इंडिया रैंक यूजुअली आता था, आई एम वेरी श्योर यू वुड हैव बीन इन द टॉप रैंकर्स देयर, राइट? सो आई प्रे फॉर यू, बेस्ट विशेस फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ अस, राइट? टीम यस की तरफ से भी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा बेस्ट विशेस एंड आई प्रे वी ऑल प्रे दैट यू कंटिन्यू टू सक्सीड अहेड दिस वे इन लाइफ एंड डेफिनेटली गाइडेंस वाइडेंस के लिए तो आप कभी भी फोन करो यार, वो तो हमारा फर्ज बनता है, उसके लिए कभी भी आपको कोई थैंक यू या कोई क्रेडिट देने की जरूरत नहीं, राइट? ब्लेस यू एंड हैव अ ग्रेट 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 करियर अहेड. Okay, see you soon in executive as well. God bless you.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Thank you so much.
Oh, most welcome. Best wishes. Bye bye. So, dear friends, see you in the next time with more such inspiring stories and more wonderful videos there. Please have a great day. Bye bye.